Good afternoon, I'm Gary. In the beginning, I want to ask everyone a question. First is, before midterm exam, do you fear for failing the exam? Or whether you will feel frightened when you participate a big tennis game? Okay, and my answer of first question and second question is yes. And I want to introduce an interesting phobia related to this fear. It's called phobia, which is the abnormal, unwarranted, and persistent fear of failure. And literal meaning of is unfortunate. And its common symptoms are the following 4 points. First is leading to a constricted lifestyle. And secondly, devastating for its effects on a person's willingness to attempt certain activities. Thirdly, consider the possibility of failure so intense, so they choose not to take the risk. Fourth is physical symptoms. The victims would have diarrhea, stomach disorder, faintness, and so on. And take me for example. I always consider that I'm doomed to fail when I participate in some big competitions or even stand in front of many people to give a speech. Once I participate in a speech competition, when I stand on the stage, my brain was blank, and I felt nervous. I thought I must be a loser. What's worse, I didn't perform well, and I just talked like a robot. After I finished, I cannot remember how I finished it. Because of the phobia, my fear of failure, I always cannot perform well. And luckily, there are still some treatment of phobia. First is called SSRI, serotonin reuptake inhibitor. It needs medication and behavioral medicinal therapies. This method can raise the level of serotonin in the brain, which impacts anxiety level and make it manageable. Secondly is counseling. A trusted counselor can help a patient come to better terms with their fear and develop new coping methods to deal with stressful situations. And although these two methods sound practical, the most important thing is to be dependent on a person's willingness and motivation. And to sum up, phobia is a fear of failure. Although it cannot be cured completely, I think it can be overcome by a person's willingness and motivation. I still cannot conquer phobia now, but I consider that I will use my willingness to cure it. And I think you can do it too. And thank you for your listening.